Alright, so this is the first update of the day. It is currently 2:30. I'm trying to do less talking in these videos because I don't like yapping so much. But so we got up at 4 today, we worked, I went home for a little snack, and then I came back out. I'm in Brattleboro right now. I just finished my class. It was about 2.5 hours. And now what I'm headed to do is go to the gym, and then after the gym, going home and getting packed up to go to Cambridge. Anyways, cut to the gym and me lifting heavy weights.
I really wanna talk about it, so many doubts. Let my music do the talking, I don't need a shout. I don't feel a thing, why they hating if it's useless. Journey's been a symphony, no need for a I just wanna walk his way alone. Sometimes it is really hard to keep me going on. Can't imagine how to life without it, I'd be gone, yeah. Only one way out, that can never prove me wrong, yeah. Music is my therapist, once it made me smart. Lost some melodies, finding solace for a while. They will never understand it, I don't wanna talk about it, please get on my face. Do you think you make it if you care about the hate? Yes, it is not easy if you're not a believer. The only thing I know is that I will never leave it. Yes, I let you talk, I ain't hear you. If I would, then I wouldn't even fucking catch you. I don't even know what it's like to come.
I feel like a wet dog.